Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 12 Facebook group engagement tactics that work best to drive traffic. Alright, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing since the last 2 years, and on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning about affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so here are the top tactics that have been proven to raise the overall engagement levels of Facebook groups. First, welcome new members of your group. When you welcome new members of your group, you automatically establish a connection with that members right from day one. These connections help your members feel included and comfortable enough to open up so they can share their thoughts easily with other members in the group. Members who have joined your group in the last 7 days are considered a new members. So on your group discussion field, you can see the numbers of members that you have in your group. Also, there's a clickable link with the strip of thumbnails photo displaying the number of the new members that have been added to your group. Just below that, you can also click on Write Post to customize your message and share it with all your new members. Second, make it easy for members to engage with your group. You can ask all your new members to introduce themselves. This is a nice way to make new members comfortable and get the conversation started. When people introduce themselves, they feel valued and they consider the entire group as the family because it is easy for them to engage with the members in the future. You can also send personalized messages to other members in your group because this is a solid way to get them involved and engaged as well. Simply click on the person's name to take you to their profile, then click on message that appears on the top right. Third, leverage the power of storytelling. Storytelling, especially the visual storytelling, is a great way to engage your audience. Create videos that portray a story that ignites the passion of all members share. Brands like Old Spice have harnessed the power of visual storytelling to generate tons of engagement. You can ask members to submit their image so that you can share with others in the entire group. This is an awesome way to generate a lot of engagement. People like things that are kept real. Pro dive cans follow this strategy to good effect. Fourth, post polls, survey, and quizzes. There's nothing better than a poll, survey, or quiz to keep your members hooked. Engagement happens that you directly ask the user for their comments, so it should be no-brainers. Posting a poll, survey, or quiz lets the group members quickly share their opinion and engagement happen almost instantly. One of the best ways of using polls is to identify the current trends related to your niche and create a poll based on that. Use this link to start your poll. I'll put on the description below. Surveys are something that people like in a limited manner, so that you need to use it sometimes. Also, quizzes should be easy to answer because if you make the quiz too tough to answer, then nobody will participate. So So in order to motivate your members to take the quiz, you can add also a prize. So when people are getting something in return, they are most likely to participate in that game. Fifth, ask questions. Posting the right questions is a simple but great way to get a conversation rolling. Think of a question as a call to action that persuades people to quickly jump into the conversation and share their thoughts. You can ask the following question types with your group members. Closed questions like, do you like a new Apple iPhone 12, for example? People will respond easily either yes or no. And then you can also do an open-ended question like, what did you like the most about new Apple iPhone 12? There can be a straight answers to this question and every member will answer differently. Next, this image-based question. Image-based questions are where an image is shared along with the question so that people are able to digest the question easily. This is what Dove does on its Facebook post. Debate-oriented question. Debate-oriented questions like, do you think homework should be banned? People may respond and share their answers either supporting the argument or answering against it. Next is general question. General questions is like, who is your favorite footballer? This type of question are no-brainer, it's easy, simple, and people like to jump into this question conversation. 6. Post photo quotes. Picture quotes works tremendously well for increasing the engagement. You can literally rock your Facebook group marketing strategy with it. You need to find a simple photo and add an inspirational or humorous quote to it. Once it's done, share it with your members and people will start reacting to your quotes. The key here is to find the image that match well with the needs of your group. Keep in mind the dislike and likes from your audience. If you use any image that incorrect choice, then it might backfire you. Keep the post simple. 7. Follow the posting strategy of edutainment. There is no need to post 3 times a day or more to your Facebook group. The frequency of your posts has nothing to do with the engagement. A study was published by Buffer which proved that not every content type is perfect for Facebook. The content that works best is for Facebook is a combination of education and entertainment, or I call it edutainment. The ideal frequency of posts should be 1 or 2 posts per day. So when we share just one piece of content each day, then it compels us to share the best content we have instead of, everything that we have of the content. Put the time and effort into the type of posts you wanted to share because Facebook algorithm will perceive your post as a high quality if they receive positive and high engagement. Following the above strategy, Buffer was able to reach more than 150,000 people per week on Facebook. 8. Make sure your timing is correct. You need to make sure that the timing of your posts are correct because incorrect timing will lessen the engagement. You can schedule a post on Facebook by following this step. Click Groups in the left menu and then select your group. Then click on the clock symbol next to the post and select Schedule Post. Select the date and time when you want to publish, your post. And then click schedule. 9. Use Facebook Live videos. Yes, you can leverage the power of Facebook Live videos even though you are running a group. Here are the steps to go live on your Facebook group. First, download the Facebook mobile app and then go to your Facebook group. Click on the button to create a new post and then select the live videos for your Facebook on your group icon. Facebook Live video is an amazing way to reach your target audience and boost engagement. 10. Ask members to put notification on. You want your members to get notified whenever a new post is added to your group. How do you make that happen? Make it a point to ask all new members who join your group to keep the notification on. And you can also give them some kind of instruction how to get the notification on. Here is the process for doing this. From your news feed, click group in the left menu and select your group. And then click notification below the cover photo and select all posts. You will get notification anytime members post in the group. 11. Like, comment, and respond to others. You need to remain on your toes if you wish to see better engagement happening in your group. As a group admin, then you need to take the initiative and consistently like, comment, and respond to other members in your group. This way, people become more comfortable with doing the same and engagement will start to happen more and more after that. 12. Tap into the power of Facebook Group Insight. Group Insight is a great way to measure the level of engagement with your members. With the help of Group Insight, you can understand how members like to engage, and then see the most active members of your group. Identify the posts that receive the best engagement. When you have such crucial data on your hand, you can easily see what is working and you can just manipulate your existing strategy accordingly. Alright friends, so in this video, I have explained 12 Facebook group engagement tactics that work best to drive traffic. So if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link in the description below. And if the information in this video is helpful, please like this video. It will help the YouTube algorithm a little bit. And if you have any question, you can also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please watch my other 2 videos here. So this video will help you to understand more about internet marketing. And you have a lovely day. I'll see you in the next video.